Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence impacts your daily life? You're not alone. AI is everywhere now, from your virtual assistants to social media feeds. It's changing how we think and interact with each other. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It affects our social lives profoundly. This video will explore how AI influences our thinking, interactions, and even our social behaviors. Let's start by understanding AI as a social actor. People often treat AI like humans, thanks to a phenomenon called anthropomorphism. Think about it. How often do you say please or thank you to Siri or Alexa? We develop expectations of friendliness and understanding from these systems. This behavior shapes our social cognition in ways we might not recognize. When AI offers good advice, we may attribute it with intelligence. But if it fails, we might blame it or ourselves. These misattributions significantly affect our behavior and feelings towards technology. Now, let's discuss AI and bias in social cognition. Since AI learns from human-generated data, it mirrors our biases, sometimes amplifying them. For instance, facial recognition systems struggle with darker-skinned individuals and women. Similarly, resume algorithms can unfairly disadvantage minority applicants. In our social media feeds, AI optimizes content to maintain our attention. But this often reinforces our existing beliefs, creating echo chambers. Such environments limit exposure to diverse viewpoints, increasing political polarization. What about stereotypes? Large language models can unknowingly perpetuate biases in their responses. When we interact with such AI, we might unconsciously reinforce our stereotypes, subtly shaping our views. AI also alters how we communicate with others. For example, parasocial relationships, or one-sided emotional bonds with AI companions, can provide support but may replace human connections. This raises concerns about emotional manipulation or privacy breaches. As we navigate through the digital world, our online behaviors are influenced by algorithms. Users often tailor their posts not just for people but also for machines that determine visibility and recommendations. This algorithmic audience significantly affects our digital identities. Moreover, AI advancements like automated deception detection promise to improve security, yet they raise ethical questions about consent and privacy. Are we giving up our right to cognitive privacy for safety? What does all this mean for social work? As social workers, we need to be familiar with AI. Understanding clients' use of AI tools can help us better assess their experiences. It's crucial to ask clients, especially youth, about their interactions with algorithms and AI. We must address issues of online bias and the emotional toll AI can take. Additionally, while AI can aid in case management, we must ensure transparency and maintain accountability. Social workers must advocate for fairness and transparency, especially in systems affecting vulnerable populations. So, what's the key takeaway? AI is deeply integrated into our lives, impacting our thoughts and interactions more than we realize. Let's take a step towards understanding AI's role in our social fabric. Familiarize yourself with these tools and start conversations about the biases they introduce. Together, we can navigate the complex world where AI and social interaction intertwine. Explore your AI awareness today.